Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? This is the latest update of SafeMoon, and unbelievable and mind-blowing crash pool jumps change occurred SafeMoon as in the moon, my friend. We are go and the moon. SafeMoon is completely gone off my plus 52.67% change. I can't believe it this time, because here the first week all crypto market has gone very badly, falls down, but definitely you can see here the SafeMoon is one of the unique coin today moving off like a rocket. So what's the big reason, my friends, today moving off? In the coming days they're moving off, and what's the update, my friend? Let's see. This time you can see here, my friend, the last 7 days chart is I already opened it, and this is the first week. This is the first week of this month, and you can see here this is unbelievable change occurred. This is unbelievable. Take a good jump, plus 56.68%. they're going off in just in 1 week. You can see here at the start of this month, my friend, they fails down, but definitely after this they slowly but they take a again very big jump, my friend, and they completely go and the moon. So what's the big reason, my friends, today go in the moon? What's the big reason? I think the reason is that to SafeMoon as one of the fastest coin, and especially, my friend, I think 6 to 7 these days just it got today launch now, and they develop now, and the crypto market they come now. So therefore, my friends, this is one of the fastest and viral coin in all over the crypto market, and people are very loving all crypto market, especially short time investor very use this, and especially short time invest this in this, my friend. And therefore I think if the people starting investing, then exactly they're moving off, they change occurs in positive. So I think this time you can see here they are going off like a rocket. So this is the first week update, my friend. If we check out the last 1 hour update, then exactly we understand to in those days they're going up or they're moving up or they fails down. You can see here, my friend, all crypto market is very badly fails down, especially Dogecoin is one of the viral coin this time also fails down. But this time you can see here the last 1 hour change occurs in very small, minus 3.63% they fails down in the last 1 hour. And you can see here after a jump every cryptocurrency fails down. So definitely SafeMoon is also fails down. So kindly holders, please try to understand, don't sell it, hold it. This is a very short fails. I hope after this fails they also take a jump, take a good jump, and the price cannot decrease very fastly, my friend. I hope the price has increased now in the coming days. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. And this is the latest updates. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching.